Introduction. Abraham Maslow, a psychologist scholar, carried out research on the hierarchy of needs and presented his findings on humans' innate curiosity. His research was based order of the needs of the healthiest 1% of people in society, mostly fished from higher learning institutions. The chosen individuals were to be those with exemplary performance in various fields of study. Sigmund Freud, a Jewish physician best known for theories of repression, defense mechanism and unconscious mind, based his theories on the field of neurology as a study of human behavior. Freud's theories demonstrated how the human mind is organized to operate internally and how one's childhood experiences can affect his or her personality and behavior. This research paper will highlight the major points in the two theories before finally comparing and contrasting them. Maslow's Theories. The pyramid of needs by Maslow is described by their order of importance. It is a hierarchy consisting of 5 levels arranged in the order of priority. At the bottom is the class associated with psychological needs, human basic needs, for example, air, food, sex, homeostasis, home, and so on, which must be satisfied first. This is followed by the need for safety, employment, family safety, health, and so on, then love, belonging, friendship, sexual intimacy, family, then esteem, confidence, self-esteem, respect by others, achievements, etc. And finally self-actualization, problem-solving, spontaneity, morality, etc., at the extreme tip of the pyramid. Freud's Theories. Freud proposed that the psyche can be divided into 3 categories: id, ego, and superego. He described the id as the impulsive portion of the child's psyche that works on the principle of pleasure. It only takes into account what it wants and rejects all the other consequences. The superego is the psyche's moral competence that considers no special situation. It states that whatever is considered morally right in one place might be taken as an immoral act in another place. Then finally is ego, which tries to find a compromise between the 2 extremes of the id and superego. It is mainly reflected by the way a person reacts to a certain situation, for instance developing defense mechanisms, denial, or repression among others. As described by the structural model of Freud, the id, ego, and superego operate as a function of the mind, and not the brain. It is the unconscious part of the mind that contains basic drives and operates on personality with its main foundation on inherited traits, particularly instincts. It is wholly non-rational and works according to the pleasure-pain principle, that seeks to be fulfilled immediately, can never take no for an answer. The ego exerts conscious awareness of the organized part of the personality structure. It defines one's self-esteem or self-worth. It is the mediator between the id and superego that tries to ensure that both varied needs are satisfied. The superego is a symbolic internalization that acts to maintain the human sense of morality. It usually takes an opposing stand due to its existing objectives towards the ego. Similarities. The basic similarity of both theories is the foundation that they build on the 3 main branches of psychology, that is psychodynamics, unconscious decision, and the lasting influence of childhood experiences, humanistic, open to reality on what one believes in the present life, and cognitive, social experiences and perception that influences personality, theories. Differences. The Maslow theory, though, was seen as a great improvement. Its destructors argued that the hierarchy of needs is nothing more than a fool's daydream. Societal needs can neither be classified nor ranked. To them, Freud's theory is more realistic and practical, since it opens up to analysis before conformity takes root. While Freud's theories are said to be a little realistic and practical, Maslow has been criticized for his excess optimism about nature. His critics say that he pays no attention to the pain and struggle that comes with self-actualization and negative experiences. Conclusion. The two theories tend to agree under the following umbrella traits: emotional stability, social adaptability, self-confidence, conformity, negativity, openness to experience, cautiousness, and dependability. Both are applicable in society, and none seems to stand alone in the absence of the other when defining such circumstances that shape human behavior. StudyCorgi can help you make your studies smarter. Visit studycorgi.com for more samples like this, study tips, and writing tools.